On the cancellation of Kimwarer Dam and scaling down of Arror Dam, the petitioners want the government to stop implementation of the report on the findings of the technical committee that advised on the two controversial dams until their petition is heard and determined. In September this year, President Uhuru Kenyatta ordered the immediate cancellation of the Kimwarer Dam project on technical and financial grounds. Now, according to the technical committee chaired by Principal Secretary for Infrastructure Professor Paul Maringa, the 22.2 billion shillings Kimwarer Dam was found to have been overpriced and that the project was neither technically nor financially viable.
And the existence of the fault line. I want to respond to some of these issues.
Yes.
Now that we're wondering as the petitioners and the people of Elgeyo-Marakwet, where actually the technical committee which was sent it down to the ground really visited the area, because and whether they had the expertise, whether they had the expertise experience of starting whether they will start faulty or whether there was not something like that, because we believe that any engagement by two governments, between the government of Kenya and the contractor from abroad, must have done all the necessary designs, and all the plans were read, and all the stakeholders were involved to the extent that they were awarded the tender. Maybe Raphael can add something.
On that issue of the report of existence of fault lines, we wanted to say we could not see the geotechnical surveyors on the ground. Personally, I'm a resident of Kimwarer, and we could not see them walking around and conducting surveys. And by saying so, any geotechnical survey always leads to or gives a summary of what will be entailed in the designs. So when we have the designs already, which we have tabled there, that means a geotechnical survey had already been done previously. So the one which was said to have been done by the committee which was formed by the president, we do not know. We don't know. Thank you.
Yeah, we would also further like to respond on the question of compensation. Elgeyo-Marakwet should not be an exceptional county where when it comes to the issues of compensation, the technical committee raised the issues. And in turn, there are several other terms, there's the same terms where residents were also compensated on the same projects. Maybe Titus can add something on that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, concerning compensation, according to our research, we have seen other dams like Tako Dam, Karume Dam, Tiba Dam. There is ongoing compensation, and we also would like Kimwarer and Arror Dam to be compensated like the other counties. Thank you.